Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into this powerful AI website called ChatGPT. So we're going to explore its capabilities and its limitations. So to get started, ChatGPT is a computer program. People create it to help you with a different thing. It's like a language model, which means it can learn from a lot of information or data. You can ask it any question you have. It can even help you write code or give you an answer to something you wonder about. Think of it as a smart friend who can help you with writing emails and stories, or even just sending a quick message. It tries its best to understand what you ask and give you a helpful response. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, it takes a preview of what makes OpenAI ChatGPT really useful. Even though it's a really growing and changing, think of these features as it's special, powerful. Sometimes these power get even better thanks to the partnership and the new update. And here are some of the best key features that makes this uh ChatGPT AI stand out compared to other AI. So one of these best features is the text generation together with the data analysis and a web browsing together with the advanced model and audio to speech features, which makes it stand out and more better than other platform. So talking about the plan, it comes with a free plan, a plus plan, and a pro plan. So if you want more information about the plan, you can simply get back to the website using the video link in the video to access each of the plan will be the best plan for your choice. Now talking about the pros and cons, so which is the good side and the bad side. So talking about the good side, offer the bad side. It comes with a versatile text generation with efficient information retrieval, together with the code assistance and a continuous improvement with a broad browsing capability. Now talking about downside, which is the potential for inaccuracy, lack of true understanding, and bias in response with ethical concern, and also dependence on internet connection. So without internet, you can have access to this AI. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI. Thanks.